Jamaica's 100 meters world champion Seville has donated $500,000 to the United Way Jamaica Restoration and Rehabilitation Fund, aimed at helping farming communities hit hard by Hurricane Melissa. His donation joins a growing pool of support, including a $1.5 million Jamaican dollars from a host of private sector donors and $21 million from United Way International, all part of the charity's recovery drive launched on Tuesday. The 24-year-old sprinter, whose parents are farmers, said he couldn't pass up the chance to help.
When I saw the devastation, immediately I wanted to do my part by assisting. The United Way initiative is something I think is important, and I would like this to be my direct focus. The farmers in the affected areas need to return to production, and anything I can do to get this going is critical for all of us. This is dear to me as my late father was a radar field officer and my mother is still a farmer, so agriculture is what made me. So I salute those who assisted so far, and something we are going to have to do for an extended period as the situation is really bad. I strongly encourage corporate Jamaica, small businesses, and ordinary Jamaicans at home and abroad to join us in rebuilding this great country as we continue to inspire the world.